You are once again welcome to this channel. Today we are still in the eastern region of Ghana. We have come to Accra. So this is the second time I've come to him. The last time I came, he was having 1,500 birds. That is, he's a poultry farmer, and then he was having 1,500 birds. That was last year, and today that I'm here, he's having 3,000 birds. That means he has gotten 100% of the birds that he started. So I will interview him and then know how he came about it to have another 1,500 in addition to the 1,500 he was having last year. So stick with me, but please, he will be speaking his local language, and I also be speaking it with him. But everything will be written in English down the video, so that you don't understand the language will also read it and then know whatever we are going to talk about. So stick and stay on this channel. Last year, Mrame Bana Kukono, 1,500, around 1,000, but it's still 3,000. In the last year, 1,500. This year, 3,000. Yeah. That means 100% too. And I count 1,500 in Indiana sign. Yeah, I count. Yeah. Wow. Patrons and a bit to us no. Inspiration like then Tina and now so to me the same 1,500.
That will buy me catch us a Jumano. Say, oh yeah, now open say Utrimua. A Juman now, oh yeah, now Bama watching. Bama watching because CCI said, yeah, Prota, me Asakra and Kaubaba Bosa. Now me Protino, just one plot, and now a dying alpha one side, and then a blue no alpha. Because, oh yeah, 6 months, no more too. It is 6 months, you know. No more to now, no bet me aside their faffle floor. Aside their head at until money dear Saudi Sue so my chunk of be to them last year. No, na year come. Coffee be brave in the 40s year crown. Open be by my channel me, yes, meet Nadina, the man. Na me channel says, sir, estimate na my man 1,000 estimate. But unknown just say round.
That's 1,000 and
Coco 1,000. Coco 1,000. Let us say estimate a million man no. Can call about 1,000 Ghana cedis, which is 1 billion. And over. Yeah. Because answer is over 1,000. No. Let us say what's spending about 100,000. Wow, and over. Let me change say, must 1,000 will be to me after 100. Bit now for 200.
Yes, I'm estimate this should be 1,000 beds. No, person the start. It's scanning
100,000
Ghana cedis.
Answer
currency 1 billion.
Yes,
and only plots or bear or so. And I say, when you plot in structure account,
in Kokono, because this is Kokono foreign best. No, foreign best. This is a foreign best. No, back home, 30 cities, 80 pesos.
If I say approximately 31 cities.
31 cities. This is 31 crown over 1,000 cities. 1,000 back 1,000 now. About 30,000 and over. Almost 31,000.
About 31,000.
And Kokono kwa they would no kwa. And Sana Obeshwa 6 months. Okay. Sana matu. Intino sa wo ni sa scanner da hwa. Ubedu kwa mu babre. Into sa who size can it do there? One holding now one. Over to me, the maybe start to say maybe 50. And I start here. On the crown, brothers.
Brothers or more,
we are more 3 months, no clear home. We are more 3 months, no clear home. Being near 3 months, no. We do better say I am 8 weeks. Now, say we'll clear home. 10 weeks or so clear.
The ever the layers like I said, they are in a shot.
Layers need there me few brothers now maybe starting yes. At time brothers now man big account maybe 350. But at times we no price no nisro and I was wrong. Because me can say me did 350 here and I make off 1,000. Kokono 90 which is back 9 cities.
That was
That-
time I perfect.
that no.
Yeah,
Yeah, the time share me book no mu was this year. Time share. So time no na ba ko 9 cities. Into me fa 1,000 90 90,000 9,000 right 9,000 Ghana cedis. When yeah hunu sa. Yeah hunu sa. Nti no sisi aska no kosoro. We are make of us sisi a obehwe utwa yi sisi a. Nkokọ no ma say me fa 1,000 na me kan ne bo edi chire wi. Nkokọ no kwa 31,000. Nsana obeto aduane saa de be fidu ho up to tama ombeto. Nti tama wo mfesike bia nhyemu biom na wo beyi sika na afiri omo ho no na was spending about 1,000 Ghana cedis. Sa 1,000. But ma omo a ma chiro ho omo ede omo ho hyemu na omo ye sisi a no omo mfa sa 1,000. Wo betumi the 100 best that started.
Okay, nti Ankra to what kind of stand? No, the yen sha sen fi ni say. And I say yen to aso fi ni say. Sisi ano. Fa ni say bia maba he. Maba ha say me be visa. When I say me so me pese me go into friend say Juma we poultry farming. Na me so my layers no.
Yeah.
Afuna me be sha say ministry. If I say me ministry afuna me be sha say.
Yeah.
Ekutu be na say e kwan be na be oni me be sha say maybe say me be a million 50 million 100 we dey be bia say nkoko ahena me be say structure me ne say say na be a obi so hwe a ono so betumi opeso wura mu bi ono so betumi ehu ka obefa so a
na no waka no because me omo me chiro no nti say question wo dey be say me sa na me de mom adwuma no me to be me no buy we hu me cage no enye ade a eye chinchina bia sa because eye ka wo hihye na hwehwe hihye ne de kra na obi aba ma obeka se nkoko buo ye efo nti emfa ska bebre enhye cage mu wow nti wo ye cage kakre bia wo hwe wa hoden no ebetumi no na bia wo ja hyesi for 100 because minimum bi wa sane se ametumi a kiro se obetumi akọ ye menene ko fine nkokọ na awo ase ono menene ko fa recent ko ene ye ko fa nkokọ no de ba na ofre me na masa yenye ne se me cheche na adu bebi a nkokọ no gina nketisa no na enija aba ne mu nti o ja me frɛ but ye wo yare bi wo nkokọ e fa no cost e kunkokọ pa e bewura abo no mu ofre me ko na me cheche oh we there sorry because na san nkokọ no no mbewu ni de wo yi on den kra ombewu nti na ka 50 no na ni ko ho na yen sisi a make say every day be you 1.5 crate ma we gina so e dey akafa 200 wo ho nti sa 200 is omo elia one media ya o hei e na eye etipen nti so omo start so omo to a na akaka ho aka 250 sa 250 o betumi da fa 300 ah tete wo mfeske bia then enhyem bi
omo a wodom sha
omo ena omo eye omo adwuma de ko wo ho nti eye adwuma bi a wo du ho hyemu a wo sika ensei
nti empacho nti e fan say sisi an percent be 100 na chasi 100 no structure e bia me land structure ne anase mu buo no cook no ene nkoko am de be chasi no sika be sen na metumi e de
sika wo de be start no de cage no e different but sisi an say bia wo 100 wo be 100 best na ma pense o say wunya at least be 10,000 etuchi etuchi because over for best no over best na eduro aduane o de be hwe ho na di na no me feel say o was at 10,000 na ebebo
di pacho moye enketo ase no ni feeding so wo feed you ma a day no when fast me the 100 na sha say feeding said the Okasi in Nakas. A day, may feed them baby how many bags of Modian and Modiana so back on so your tunnel.
A day no move back for Friday. Oh no, a piano omun dimpo chasa would go or more omususa waka for day would able bomb one or one into no bag say 100 say now wow for okita cocoa 100 one bag on bit made in the 3 weeks. Yes, a young cocoa ketuan make I so ubiko far 2,000 one j advice and few ubiaho and okaji 2,000 okafa cocoa 2,000. Edwon buy no mo kache say na we you hu ska na we bet ma hwe na je na ampa so buy na che say nkukọ no one bag no mu di no be 4 days 5 days na de no nim say yes but do baby na no mu di one bag a day na de no na afia na hold so nti me kira wa kira say sa even 10,000 ya making kra no e betumi afa nkukọ be 150 but say be ya bia na wo extra bi ho kire ko ba enchiro well until na media ma ye sa 10,000 no
until ba say 10,000 na what they charge na nye say bia what they charge 10,000 nya be sa e bi be ka what be to achi
yes
in case of e bia aduane
yes
media to their support
because answer na wo be estimate am obi no unye estimate no pepe say edua 2 na ebe so o say wo ye no 4 say be ya okodu baby no nyafi na wo say be jani pa no say ade na me ye ma no anso well nti na me kan sa 10,000 me ka say bet me afa 100 besi e bet me afa 150 sa 150 no make sure say e bia okodu baby no wo be short kakra na wo di bi besimu a na ankoye odadwene bia sa but he said 10,000 the 100 pieces ne de ebeso
but munya chickens no inketua no munya mowe
ye wo foreign best I want to send ya mebo company ni di ekro no Race and Co or Accra or Accra circle
so they okofa
foreign omo wo de wo ko book sisi a na fro book tua sika no ma ho a omo ba ma date say Saturday we share on airport na omo fa ma ene ye wo local best ono so say bia opa ono so Accra ye fa wo here make me am direction na wako akoti no so aye
ti ba se ni nya de moko Accra na moko fa
ni na Accra ye okumase so ho ba me Facebook kumase mom da ye okumase ho
ba e fa say me to ase Ghana de wankasa se dia ka wo nya bi wankasa wontumi bobon kusua no ajise
company no na make ye local best wa mo bobo better me na me tin say omo de ex no export ex no ba Ghana ha na omo bobo omo hagi
ex ne di fi ho ba
sa na ya me tin but nya me ye sisia ne de ono foreign person na company na me no ho deal ni Fancastle na Fancastle sisia no ono akofom from mo say akofom kakra nti